Stop wasting time searching for games. Here's how to install YouTube TV on your Vizio Smart TV in just 4 easy steps. YouTube TV is the ultimate cable replacement, and getting it running on your Vizio Smartcast system is quick and effortless. Step 1. Head to the Vizio home screen. Just press the V button or the home key on your Vizio remote. This will bring up the main Smartcast interface where all your streaming apps are located. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store. You can usually find this right in the top menu bar or within the featured row. Once in the store, use the search function and type in YouTube TV. It should pop up as the first result. Step 3. Select the YouTube TV app from the search results and choose the Install or Get button. Wait a few moments for the download to complete. Your TV will automatically add it to your home row for quick access. Step 4. Once installed, open the app and select Sign In. You'll see a code to link your account. Go to the activation URL on your phone or computer, enter the code, and your Google account will sync instantly. Pro tip: if you don't see the App Store, ensure your TV is connected to the internet and your firmware is up to date in the settings menu. You now have access to over 100 live channels and unlimited DVR space right from your Vizio TV. These steps apply to your own account and your own device or app only. Safety first when managing your accounts. If you run into any issues, visit the official Vizio support site or call 8333892054 for direct assistance. For more high-value tech tutorials, subscribe to Sleek Guides. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.